The United States has just hit a new grim milestone in regards to the COVID-19 pandemic. And as of me making this video, which is on December 11th, 2020, we have just surpassed over 300,000 deaths due to the COVID-19 coronavirus. And that is extremely troubling and sad, because that is 300,000 people that are no longer here, and their families have lost a loved one, friends have lost a friend. I mean, it's a very unfortunate situation that I feel like if people took the precautions more seriously, I don't think we would be in this bad of a predicament. But it is a uniquely American. I don't even know how to even explain it. It's like Americans, not all of them, but a lot of them are very selfish when it comes to thinking about other people. And you can see that when it comes to wearing masks, something that definitely reduces the risk of the spread of coronavirus. And I would say about half of Americans outright refuse to wear a mask. And that is why we are at the current predicament that we're in, because so many people think it's infringing on their rights. And and then there's another argument saying that, well, I'm not scared of it. If I get it, I get it. But the thing is like, yeah, you might get it and be fine, but then you might kill another person or spread it to another person, and then they die. Because the more people that get infected and the more people that actively have COVID-19, the increase in the spread of COVID is exponential. So, one person spreads it to two people, and those two people spread it to however many people. And then someone goes to a public setting, sneezes or coughs or whatever, and then they get five people sick. And then it's just like a domino effect. And I feel like a lot of Americans, they don't think like that. They don't think about, their neighbor. They don't care about those around them. And, then you see healthcare workers who are, they're on the brick of, exhaustion. It's exhausting having to work 12, 16-hour shifts. My girlfriend, she's a respiratory therapist, and she works at a major hospital in Cleveland. She said they're overwhelmed with COVID patients. And, then you talk to people who, aren't in the healthcare industry, or don't know anyone in the healthcare industry or whatever, or they might get their information from conspiracy theorists, and they think it's all a hoax. They think it's all made up. And that's why we're in this situation that we're in now. And it's insane. 300,000 dead. Beginning of this year, I could never imagine that COVID-19 would have done this to the United States. And, it's sad. And hopefully with the new administration coming in, we can have a serious plan on combating COVID-19 at the federal level. But it seems like it just depends on what state you live in, whether or not the governor and the local cities and towns or whatever, whether or not they have the courage to do unpopular things to reduce the spread of COVID. So I don't know, guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I just really want to know what you guys think about this, because it's unbelievable how bad it's gotten. So that's all I gotta say. Peace.